Hi guys, I'm Soumya and once again welcome back to my channel Dash of Delight. Today I'm going to be sharing a very delicious and yummy recipe which is Indian style macaroni pasta recipe. Check out the ingredients. Friends, for any kind of pasta recipe, the very first step is to boil the pasta. So we'll also going to start off with the same process. So here I have taken some water in a pan, around half a pan, and into this water I'm gonna be adding some oil and salt. So here comes 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. I'm gonna be adding into it, and then also some salt. So I'm taking 1 teaspoon of salt. Now wait for 3-4 minutes, let it come to a boil, and once the water starts boiling, add pasta into it. So I'm adding 2 cups of macaroni pasta, 1 and 2. And now boil the pasta until it becomes soft. This process will take around 5 to 7 minutes. Remember to keep the flame at medium to high temperature. Also keep stirring in between. And be mindful guys, do not overboil the pasta. It should be nice and soft but also have that firm bite on the other hand. So it's been 5 minutes of rigorous boiling. Now I'm gonna check one. So just grab a spoon and cut it once. See, it's neither too soft nor too hard. So this is the perfect texture. Now I'm gonna be straining my pasta and then wash it thoroughly under cold water. So see, here I have strained out all the hot water and then immediately treat it with cold water. You can even use chilled water at this point. So guys, the idea of cold water is that it will immediately stop the cooking process of pasta. So that's it guys, we have washed it well. Now keep it aside and let all the excess water strain out, like this. And now guys, let's start with the preparation of our masala. So in a pan, I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil, and once heated, I have added 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Let it crackle and then add grated or chopped garlic. Then saute it for a while, like this. And that's it guys, then add some curry leaves into it. Saute it for a minute and then add chopped onions. So I have thinly sliced the onions lengthwise. If you want, you can finely chop it as well. Saute the onion till it becomes slightly translucent. Remember, we don't have to make it golden brown. So see, it has slightly started changing the color. Now at this point, we are gonna add some green chilies. I'm adding just 2 green chilies. If you want, you can just increase or decrease the quantity as per your choice. And now add in some carrots and also capsicum at this stage. Now saute the vegetables for a while, for 1 to 2 minutes, like this. And then add in the chopped tomatoes. There we go. Add in all the tomatoes here. And then start mixing everything all together. Mix all the vegetables, saute them for a while, and then add around 1 teaspoon of salt in it. That's it. You can adjust the salt quantity as per your choice. Then keep sauteing for a while. So guys, if you want, you can just add on the vegetables of your choice as well. Now at this point, just lower down the gas, place the lid and let it cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. So that's it guys, it's been around 7 minutes now. Now let's check our vegetables. So see, all the vegetables are nicely cooked by now. Now mix it well, just saute it for a while, like this. And now, time to add in some sauces. So here comes 1 teaspoon of tomato ketchup. If you like the sweeter version, you can just increase the quantity. And now also add in 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce. Now mix both the sauces well into the vegetables. Saute it for a minute and then time to add in the boiled pasta. So add in all the pasta at this stage. And now guys, thorough mixing is required at this stage. Mix it really well so that all the ingredients are nicely incorporated into the pasta. And now add in some salt. To be on the safer side, just taste a bit and then add salt so that you don't exceed the quantity. Then add around half a teaspoon of red chili powder. This is optional, or you can adjust the quantity as per your choice. And now finally, in goes some garam masala, around half a teaspoon. And that's it guys, keep the flame to medium to high temperature and mix it well. Keep mixing for around 1 minute. So guys, we're all there. Our yummy and delicious masala macaroni is all ready to be served. So just take it out on a plate, like this. There we go. See the beauty of this guys, the kids will love to have it. In fact, not only kids, even you will also not be able to resist yourself from having a spoonful of it. Loaded with vegetables, here comes our lip-smacking masala macaroni recipe, that too in completely Indian style. So if you haven't tried macaroni pasta recipe in this way, please do guys, and I'm sure you'll be a fan of it. Now just garnish it with some finely grated cheese. If you don't have cheese, no worries, you can just go ahead with cilantro or coriander leaves. That will also amazingly do the job. So that's it guys, if you liked my recipe, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye bye.